Here's Dozer. He likes to chase this little car. Don't make him step on my foot. Is it stuck? He's scared of it. You gotta go like forward and then back, like not too close to him. Oh shoot, don't let him on the TV. He won't let it touch him. He's scared. You won't let it touch him. Try and run over his paw. Oh, he's gonna bite it. Watch out, Coda. You're gonna get stepped on. Move. Oh, did he grab it? Put it over there. Mill, try and get it to go over there so I can record it better. Yeah, I know, because it goes all over the place. Alright, just pick it up and put it over there. Hold on, Dozy. Get it, Dozy. Get it. Get it. Go get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Dozy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Dozer. Get it, Doze. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Go get it, Doze. Dozer, go get it. Go get it. Get it. Did he pick it up that time? He's getting more daring. Get it. I think he's getting tired. Alright, that's good.